Yo, check this out. This is Wayne Wonder, representing for Warrior LTV. You see the vision, don't it? See the vision. Warrior LTV. Keep it locked.
I'm gonna tell you. We, as bloggers, these are the issues that we need to address. You understand what I said? Set the bar for the youth. Share, like, and subscribe, and stay tuned to the channel. I don't know all this shit. Yes, brothers and sisters. Greetings once again in the mighty name of His Imperial Majesty Emperor Haile Selassie I first, and all things good and wonderful amongst us. Welcome viewers and subscribers. Viewers, if you like the content, subscribe and make way grow the platform. See, now, before the item comment on anything what I say in another video here, just picture the lady here, factor in the things that we shall say, and make sure so the item argument not sound like them type of argument that we shall talk. You see, because it's not like you say a rasta we are dealing. An example, rasta there for set. That's where the sacrifice is about. Be an example. Because now have to be an example today, you have to avoid the seduction and the corruption of Babylon. You have to identify them, know them there, and call them out and know, say, yo, you know? Yeah, regardless of the cost. You see it. And if some guy in a Rastafari and now claim that Sizzla, you we attack again. You know, see it. And you we attack. Come see some friends and some sheep. I'm guessing a spell and still a protect a virtue, a non-existent virtue, according to Rastafari. You know, see it. Where it's quite sinful and it goes to show, say, you know, this lady here, we are going to talk next, is majority mentality and approach like this. Double standard mentality where, you know, me I say, me no know, it's unfair, it's unacceptable. The contrast in a thinking that's normalized in a Jamaica. To ensure youth like Sizzla for the way man go on the way where man go on, without consequence, without responsibility, without rhyme or reason. Go watch a little video here and make remind us who we are.
We are not dog, you know. I pay a human beings live here and good people that are grandstand. People might think they're grandstand and I don't know way. But we live good. Even if I see we there kill one that we live good. Yeah man.
Yeah, posted the third video that we use a lady here in a rasta. You know see it? So recently DJ Khaled come to Jamaica and immediately Sizzla fly out at him coop, hiding wherever him did there. Whatever they can't make him unavailable for the Jamaican authorities. Now that's Lord God come give directives. A guy have to forward out. You know see it? And make representation symbolically. You know see it? Symbolically. A guy show how much indignation him have towards the Jamaican authority. Much contempt. You know see it? I'm sure them supposed to want to talk to him. I'm sure them supposed to want them to say something, them to make something public. You know see it? But some guy above the law, which we all are as Rastafari. You know see it? But when they go accept trophy from Babsy Grange Rasta, we know say you respect them authority and whatever contrition them can put towards the high existence. You know see it? So we see that and we observe that and we know say yeah. I saw them think they go. So such like we expect say you would return the respect, the favors, and give them an explanation as to what go on in the suspected or prospective tourist area of Augustown, particularly Judgement Yard. You know, see, that not coming at the interest of people. You can't keep them things quiet and you have visitor come there. So nobody don't know what the threat is, what the danger, how to take precaution, if should I take any precautions or what. You see it? Oh, I know them things that go. Remember, you have the seal up there where I asked for the seal long before them things happen. And we asked what going to happen to it if something should have happened to you. And we not get none of them communication, none of them response, none of these important issues is not being addressed. I don't know why I should expect you to address a murder where happening in your yard. You see, it's only when it's necessary, only when it benefits on the pocket, you act like on a public figure or public representative. You see, but when it comes to consequence, when it comes to standards, when it comes to being an example to the change we want to demand, there is found lacking. You see it. But when it comes to opportunity, I want to be who is DJ Khaled. Khaled is a culture vulture. Total cultural inappropriation. It's against some religious standards and beliefs. Culturally. For even appropriate himself in a Babylon them way. You see it? He would have totally abandoned film original foundation in order. And when you do that, you still have you put yourself in a certain jeopardy. But you can always perform them with as an agent for you. As long as you do it as an agent, it's acceptable. You can go undercover, you can do anything, you can yam all pork. As long as you do it for the cause of the religion. You know see? So some guy will do anything for benefit and profitize off of I and I. All the while them people are doing it. I want to see why them all change it now. Where is Sizzla showing a level of intelligence or integrity for we say? Him not sell out to them boy. Oh, immediately a thing like this happen and nobody can find them boy. And if you come say, the poor people say, watch ya. At this go on. I in a danger. There is no threat to the development or the position, the direction a judgment he had. It's just an unfortunate incident happened. He could have easily said that and everybody knows say, yeah. At that, go on. An unfortunate incident, regardless, not overlooking the fact that, it a criminal act like of that magnitude happened. You know, see. But at the end of the day, Rasta, some man have government badness. Straight. That me a show you now. You know, see. Through government badness, some man they have to pay no respect or no attention. Or observe no Rasta standard or no community, cultural or faithful standards. A man can just do what he want to do. You know, see it? And more know how a guy sleeping in bed at night time, knowing so well then I be a sheep. The people them a treat him like a shepherd and him act like them a sheep. Nobody round him for answer no question or ask a question because at the end of the day, even the people them we are defending him in the high comment section when they listen to the level Rasta, it's like a lady when me just play me a reason with I mean not lie. 100 books big somebody go read them or if no one just go check them out and see. You see it? When you observe the whole of discrepancies surrounding them youth action and attitude, remember, and I tell poor struggling elder foundation Rasta people say and gun check and me give them gun check as Sizzla do it, You see the people them declare it publicly. And someone who are jumping in the comment section and I defend this guy action Rasta. When they even look back and revisit them action there and say them youth are down in the dirt dog. Them youth are not a principle, them youth are come like like a hog pen. Them boy only parking at the riverbed of Augustone. Why wouldn't Jamaican raise and grow only parking at the riverbed of Augustone and them a defecate up in the place and a smell up the whole place and they hog gas? Grow some boy Rasta and some boy just start move like have that mentality there and they even know. Yes, Rasta. What you mean? You can't move them way there. While you have the government in your back pocket, you associated and related with them and a fight. I come like a political struggle and a whole political garrison. What happened to the demand and the expectation them? The association, the collaboration with governmental entity, the collaboration with other corporate entities and things like that. Who, without them, thing like a museum, it's not possible. You know, see, they can't curate all of them artifacts or whatever it needs for maintain or create. And your own, where you going to get them, what and when and how. And then you have to be of a certain level rasta and a certain nature to be recognized as such. I don't know how you come up with that. And, you know, probably that's why you show so much dissent and rebellion against the authorities, you know, because probably you did expect more of a your little media attempt. No disrespect, I saw this thing I got. I'm not business over feel like so because of them guy rasta the far and the way ahead. We're not there nowhere. You know, see, we're not there nowhere. You know, so why I'm to the whole of people in America the other day and it just gone sweep under the carpet, you know, but nobody talk about it and all them things there. Eh? You know, you no representation. Where our group there, we support a position of riches, of wealth. Some guy I look amongst I try be king for slaves. You see, because that's how we are observed as, are reputed to. What else? What else out there? What else? What sort of example we have? Yes, and a black man send a rocket gas space. Yes, and a black aeroplane manufacturer out there. All them type of thing, the rasta. No black rocket science. I mean, the science. No. Abuse people we are work for around here. And we have them boy keep we in the same mind frame there. Because them make it look like so we are right. The level of thinking and the thought process, the mentality what we have. Because it enables them to be leaders. Stupidity, ignorance is the only claim to feed them fame. Only thing we 45 for them thing. And them go them bed at night time and sleep comfortable and know so yeah them is king for a bunch of idiot. No disrespect to my Jamaican people. And I don't me attack. But anybody or anything them guy can catch for rule. Cause I only idiot them can rule. You see it? Uncle idiot. Nobody who's gonna question them and ask them how that sounds so contrary. How the action there. So I be a badness. And a guy come tell me nothing and go on like so well and them want to come expect I for create a level of protection for some boy under them. A Rastafari come first and you think I'm a fan of anything else before Rastafari. Eh? You think you think of some boy may a wait pan for know the principles, the rules and the regulations of Rastafari, or if I not do it like some guy or some guy not do it like me, I not them no know Rastafari. So you think I gonna make some guy dictate I faith like a pastor, like a guy is a pastor. I be that some boy I go on with, you know see it. I want to observe the how some man make themselves look unintelligent by some little idiot question where them ask surrounding this thing of Rasta. It goes to show say I be a curry favor, favoritism, nepotism. Go on, you know, even in a Rastafari too. Because when some man put some strength behind some boy and condemn them, either one side I try justify certain little sin and devil action like so well then and continue lead the people them astray and know deep in our hearts that boy a failure, that boy a switch and go fight politics war Rasta. You know see it? Man them now the man them already obvious. So the man them a look friend and fringe benefit from a famous guy. already more than obvious. It look like it's a dub plate, a man a look rasta or something. What do you need? What a guy a go no? When a guy ever reach out to you and shake on the other hold on and come check on you and song half Sunday dinner we don't know rasta? What the, how it makes sense? If we can root out the tears them from among us, if we can point out the wrongs among us, rasta, how we are going to point out the wrongs of somebody else and befall upon I and I? Oh, what authority we have to do that? Eh? The only reason why we accept Sizzla coming out and oppose and amago with Khaled, you know, the only reason why is because we accept the diminish way how them look and we accept that. We not necessary because we're poor, we're not relevant. Anything a guy say is law. Anything a guy say happen, or just that happen. You know, see, we don't ask for consequence. We don't use, hey, we don't know that, you know. I want you to now go down with a barrel, you know, rasta. We don't know that. I want to like it, just chuck off. You know, see, if you don't like the depths, go higher and chuck off. It's up to you, know. You know, see, the water there, nothing there. It's easier for you, know. You know, see, I now sit back and embrace some guy. Some guy not dictate a little stupidity to me, I rasta. Who is some guy? Eh? Like I have stars in the eye. And then I run around with them things and I know the power, you know, know Rastafari, you know. Then again, you know, I don't know. Because if you know they truly know, you know that put Rasta first and move on yourself out of the picture. You know, see, some guy infuse themselves like, you know what, next thing we're going to hear Sizzla say the incarnation of Rastafari, you know. We are listening to hear that fanatic that said that blood clot one of them there, you know, Rasta. To the boy and move pan we, you know. You don't see it. You don't see it. And it come like a that some people think. We don't, you know, them fuck with the Rasta. We are big grown people, you know. A long time we are struggling, you know, Rasta. We have evidence of everything, you know. We see everything happening in front and we repeat it over and over the history. You know, what? We don't in that Rasta. We don't look for no more Jesus. And if Jesus come again, you know, we can always make him immune from criticism. We can make him immune from sin and him just do anything we want. And nobody asks no question. No principle, no standards. And I hate that. A man dealing we like say we no matter. But when him friend come with a wallet of money, him available, if I abandon no. That me I telling you, you know. That me I telling you, you know. You know, see it. And what go on in a judgment yard, nah go stop go on. I done that, I done. Me I telling you that. You know, see it, and I a pour fuel upon some boy fire. And I make them a sin more and more. And I commit some hope. You know, say it. What some boy self-destruct here? You can still go and feel in the dark and run behind some validate some boy and turn them in idols and all them things the Rasta. And then move the love of Rastafari from the picture and the love some boy more than Rastafari because some boy can get away with breaking the rule. Obviously, openly and publicly. You know, see it? And allow the seed of our sort of assumption and aspersion for your cast by I and I. And the whole way, you know. We got a guy know I art and how I perceive Sizzla and him action. And a guy see I, and when a guy see other Rasta man and them. How you think people look upon them? You think we are either? Eh? Man, if you stop the hungry belly business, when you come over here, so be hungry in a Rastafari. Be hunger and sufferation Rasta. No reward no over here, so. When you come over here, so like when you think of hustling this, no hustling no over here, so Rasta. A spade is just a spade. No boy not perfect, you know. One alone is perfect.